I'm Travis Kaufman, Executive Vice President of DataDisk USA. Are you familiar with VMRS codes? They were released by the TMC some years ago to help fleets streamline and organize what they're spending on maintenance and normalize that across the industry. It's tremendously helpful for fleets to know where they're spending their money, what parts are being worked on, and to help track all of that for their back office and for planning long term. DataDisk has deeply embedded VMRS into our platform. We offer both the 3-digit, little simpler version, all the way to the 9-digit codes for large fleets who really want to understand every detail about where their money is going. So with VMRS, you can learn an awful lot of detail. So instead of just understanding that you worked on a chassis, now you can begin to capture in real time what components, what location, how it failed, and at the end of the year or when you're doing your analysis, understand a whole lot more detail about what's going on with your fleet and what your technicians are working on. If you want to understand more about VMRS, please reach out to DataDisk. We'd love to talk to you and show you how it works in our platform.